Hello everyone, this is Menak from Civil Center and welcome all of you back to our channel. So friends, we are here today to discuss about our workshop which is going to be conducted from this weekend, that is the 24th of July 2021 to your 28th of July 2021. If we know more about this workshop is basically about preparation of structural drawing, because a lot of people have asked these questions already. Those who are taking our full classes on G+3 building design using Tekla Structural Designer, they already are able to do it, and many consultants and students have also completed this course successfully. So this workshop is for all those who want to have an opportunity of preparing the structural drawing out of the results of the Tekla Structural Designer. This is a 5-day workshop and it starts from 24th of this month to 28th of this month. Each day the class timing will be 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. And the features which you're going to cover in this particular workshop is the output or the extraction of the output from the Tekla Structural Designer. So that is what will be covered is, once we are through with the processes of application of loading, modeling, designing in the Tekla Structural Designer, then the final execution or the final product of our drawing is, or our work is, our structural drawing, which looks like this, the structural drawing. So the structural drawing contains the details of all the structural elements, so that the site engineer can execute this particular building at this site. So we need these particular elements like foundation layout, plain beam layout, roof beam layout, and the column schedules and layout of all these three things. So these are the basic things which you require for every structure. So for preparing this thing, we can take the help of software like Tekla Structural Designer, but the final and the ultimate aim is our structural drawing. So all this particular workshop is based on the concept of preparing structural drawing from using the results of the Tekla Structural Designer. And we are already covering it on our full course, but we have kept this workshop for all those who want to have an opportunity to make the structural drawing, and we have kept it at a promo price so that everyone can have the advantage of take the advantage from Civil Center, that they can learn how to make the structural drawing using the results of a particular software. In this case is Tekla Structural Designer and your AutoCAD. So using Tekla and AutoCAD, we will demonstrate you how to make the structural drawing on considering the practical aspects, that is the practical aspects, economical, as well as safe design. These three things we are going to consider, and we're going to make the structural drawing of buildings, of a particular building. We are going to make it, and after completing this workshop, you will be able to know how to use the results which you have obtained in the particular software. So that is the motto of the particular workshop, to enable you to use the results of the software to give economical, safe and executable design, and make the beam column foundation layout, the beam column layout, and the final structural drawing sheet, like arrangement of the scale and the arrangement of the elements in the sheet. And because we know that structural drawing is prepared in A2 or A1, so how to prepare the sheet and how to make it presentable and executable, so that any engineer who can understand it easily. So these are the things which we will cover in this particular session of the workshops. And in this, we have 5 days. We will complete all the aspects in this 5 days. So if you are interested, you can do so using the link which has been given in the description as well as in the chat box. And if you are watching this on Instagram, then you can do so using the link which has been given in our bio. So we hope that to meet you soon in the workshop. And if you are interested for learning to make structural drawing out of the particular software, then I hope that you will enroll for it. I recommend that you can enroll for it and have the experience in 5 days. So see you there, and all the best. Bye-bye.